Now please draw your attention to the 50-yard line as we introduce your 2019 homecoming court. First, representing 9th grade, the members of the homecoming court are Kara Miller and Benjamin Sylvia. Kara is a member of the JV volleyball team, also plays basketball and soccer. Her favorite thing about Marysville High School are the volleyball team and sitting in the student section with her friends for Friday night lights. And the person she most admires is her parents, because they taught her to always work hard. Benjamin plays football, basketball, wrestling, and track, and is a member of the Viking Regiment. His favorite summer activities are bonfires, camping, and riding dirt bikes. Let's have a round of applause for our 9th grade homecoming court, Kara Miller and Benjamin Sylvia. Next, representing the 10th grade, the members of the homecoming court are Delaney Chapman and Michael Sakuchi. Delaney works for the Richmond Chamber of Commerce and dances at the Dance Company Conservatory. She admires her best friends because they are truly her friends and make her so happy and are always there for her. Her hobbies include reading and running. Michael plays football and is a member of the track team. His favorite thing to do after school is playing football, and he hopes to one day play in college. Michael's favorite movie is The Waterboy. Let's have another round of applause for our 10th grade homecoming court, Delaney Chapman and Michael Sakuchi. Representing the 11th grade are Nicole Will and Holden Hayberg. Nicole is a member of the Student Council, Steering Committee, and the Faith Lutheran Church Youth Group. She volunteers at the soup kitchen. Nicole would like to go to college for pediatric endocrinology. Hayden plays varsity football. His hobbies include playing football, basketball, baseball, track, and enjoys hanging out with his friends and family. He would like to be a police officer after high school. Let's have one more round of applause for our 11th grade court, Nicole Will and Hayden Holberg. We are honored this year to have our foreign exchange student on homecoming court as well. Please welcome all the way from Finland, Annie Rosalainen. Annie is a member of the cross-country team and choir. Her favorite bands are Imagine Dragons and Amber Run. The thing she most likes about MHS is the school spirit. Let's hear one more round of applause for our foreign exchange student, Annie Rosalainen. Please welcome now our first member of our 12th grade homecoming court, Bianca Satrib and Nick Wilson. Bianca is a member of the varsity cheerleading squad, soccer, and National Honor Society. She admires her grandma because she is the most amazing woman and inspires her to be the best person she can be. She would like to go to Grand Valley State University when she graduates. Nick is a member of the National Honor Society. His favorite summer activities is going to bonfires, and his favorite thing about MHS is Mr. Pelfey and Mrs. Schweihhofer. Please, one more round of applause for Bianca Satrib and Nick Wilson. Next member of our 12th grade court is Riley Franczyk and Adam Thompson. Riley is a member of the volleyball team and president of the student council. She admires her mom because she is the biggest supporter and motivates her to be the best person she can be. After graduation, she wants to attend college and study physical therapy. Adam is a member of the Viking Regiment, Steering Committee, musical, and varsity singers. His favorite band is the Viking Regiment. After graduation, he'd like to become a veterinarian. Let's have one more round of applause for Riley Franzik and Adam Thompson. And finally, please give a warm Marysville welcome to your 2019 Homecoming Queen and King, Mariah Andrus and Jacob Wynn. Mariah is a member of the National Honor Society and Steering Committee. Her favorite thing about MHS is being surrounded by the people she loves. She admires her dad because he influenced her taste in music and loves her with all his heart. After graduation, she'd like to become a registered nurse. Jacob is a member of the varsity football team and coaches for the Marysville Junior Football Association. He admires his mom because she has battled MS for the last 5 years, and she never compromises when she is just hurting at her most. Jacob wants to attend Wayne State University to study sports management. Let's have one more round of applause for Homecoming Queen and King, Mariah Andrus and Jacob Wynn. Congratulations to all the members of our homecoming court, and thank you for representing Marysville High School in such a fine way. At this time, we would like to recognize all the members of the Marysville High School Student Council who have been working tirelessly over the past months to plan all our homecoming festivities. Homecoming would not be what it is without the leadership of President Riley Franzik, Vice President Riley Hewlett, Director of Finance Alyssa Morgan, Director of Records Haley Gurn, and the Director of Communications Nicole Will and Emma Leishman, as well as all the members of the Student Council. Thank you. This concludes our halftime homecoming ceremony.